Get ready for a countdown of 20 wild facts about space that sound completely made up but are all true. Hang on until number 1 because it redefines what we think is possible in the universe. 20 facts, counting down, and wait until you hear number 1. Here's number 20. The International Space Station orbits our planet at a speed of 17,500 miles per hour, completing one lap every 90 minutes flat. At this velocity, it sees a total of 16 sunrises and sunsets during each full day in orbit around Earth. At number 19, our Sun contains a massive 99.8% of all the mass found in the entire solar system, meaning planets are almost nothing. In comparison, all the planets, moons, asteroids, and everything else together account for only 0.2% of the total mass present. Number 18. A single rotation or day on the planet Venus lasts 243 Earth days, while its year is shorter at only 225 days. Venus rotates so slowly that one day there exceeds the length of its orbital year, which is very unusual. Here's number 17. The Moon is drifting away from Earth at a rate of 1.5 inches per year due to the effects of tidal forces. Over time, this will lengthen our days, and eventually the Moon may leave Earth's orbit completely in the far future. At number 16, the exoplanet, known as 55 Cancri A, is probably a giant diamond twice the size of Earth with a thick crust made entirely from crystallized carbon. This super-Earth likely contains 3 times more diamond than the entire Earth, making it incredibly valuable if we could reach it. Number 15. The tallest mountain in the solar system is Olympus Mons on Mars, standing at an incredible height of 13.6 miles above the surface. 3 times taller than Mount Everest, this extinct volcano covers an area similar to the state of Arizona on Mars. Here's number 14. Jupiter's Great Red Spot is a giant storm that is twice the size of Earth and has been raging for over 350 years now. This persistent anticyclone storm is large enough to swallow 3 entire Earths, and its color comes from unknown chemical compounds. At number 13, a single teaspoon of material from a neutron star would weigh around 6 billion tons on Earth due to its extreme density. These collapsed stars pack the mass of our Sun into a sphere just 15 miles across, creating this unimaginable density. Number 12. Without the constant pull of gravity on their spines, astronauts can temporarily grow up to 3 inches taller in the microgravity environment of space. This spinal decompression effect reverses itself as soon as they return to Earth and experience normal gravity once again. Here's number 11. Space is utterly silent because it is a vacuum with no air molecules to carry vibrations, so sound cannot travel at all. This is why all those loud explosions and battles in science fiction movies would actually be completely quiet in real life. At number 10, UY Scuti is the largest known star with a diameter 1,700 times greater than our Sun, which would reach Saturn if put in our place. If our Sun was the size of a basketball, then this monster star would be as tall as Mount Everest by comparison. Number 9. The observable universe stretches for 93 billion light-years across and contains roughly 2 trillion galaxies, according to recent telescope data. Each galaxy holds hundreds of billions of stars, suggesting the total number of stars exceeds all grains of sand on Earth. Here's number 8. Winds on exoplanet HD, 189733b, blow at 5,400 miles per hour and glass rains sideways in its scorching hot atmosphere of molten silicate. This hellish blue world orbits close to its star, creating conditions where the weather is beyond anything found in our solar system. At number 7, the Boomerang Nebula is the coldest natural spot in the universe at 1 degree above absolute zero due to its rapid gas expansion. Located 5,000 light-years away, this dying star system is even colder than the faint afterglow of the Big Bang itself. Number 6. If you drove a car straight up at highway speed of 60 miles per hour, it would take over 170 years to reach the Sun from Earth. The average distance of 93 million miles makes even our closest star seem incredibly far in human travel terms. Here's number 5. A day on Mercury lasts 59 Earth days, while its year is only 88. Earth days, meaning its sunrise to sunrise cycle, is very long. The planet spins so slowly relative to its orbit that one side faces the Sun for months at a time. At number 4, the Andromeda Galaxy is hurtling toward the Milky Way at 250,000 miles per hour, and the two will collide in about 4.5 billion years. This future merger will create a new giant elliptical galaxy with almost no stars destroyed due to the vast distances between them. Number 3. Rogue planets drift freely through space without orbiting any star after being ejected from their original solar systems by gravitational chaos. Some of these lonely worlds may host subsurface oceans that could support alien life heated by their own internal cores. Here's number 2. Our observable universe began with the Big Bang 13.8 billion years ago and has been expanding ever since from an initial hot, dense state. The afterglow of this event is still visible today as the cosmic microwave background radiation filling all of space evenly. And finally, the number 1 fact. Due to the expansion of space itself, some galaxies are receding from us at speeds faster than light, and we will never reach them. This does not violate physics because the space between us is stretching rather than the galaxies moving through space. Which one got you? Comment the number below and subscribe. There's a new list every day.